Welcome to my video. In this video we are going to check out some Amazon gadget that literally everyone is buying from, gadgets that are really handy for home and daily life tasks. These are Amazon's most viral smart Amazon gadget. You must see, and like always, links to these gadgets will be in the description below. Experience powerful chemical-free cleaning with the BISSELL OmniReach Handheld Steam Cleaner, designed to tackle dirt, grime, and stubborn stains across your home. With its high-pressure steam blasting system, this portable cleaner effortlessly refreshes tile, grout, windows, bathrooms, kitchens, upholstery, and fabrics. The lightweight design and extended reach attachments allow you to clean tight corners and high areas with ease. Perfect for everyday home cleaning, sanitizing surf. This handheld steam cleaner, designed with a safety lock, child-proof cap, and a 500 ml large water tank for longer cleaning sessions without constant refilling. With 19 PCS versatile accessories, it easily tackles tough grime on kitchen counters, bathroom tiles, grout, car interiors, sofa fabrics, windows, and more. The high-temperature steam effectively sanitizes surfaces, removes stubborn dirt, melts grease, and refreshes fabrics, all chemical-free. Lightweight, portable, and safe to use. Keep your hard floors effortlessly clean with the Shark Steam Mop S1000, featuring a lightweight design, removable water tank, and 2 machine-washable dirt grip pads for long-term use. This steam mop uses natural, chemical-free steam to lift and remove stuck-on messes from sealed hard floors, including marble, stone, hardwood, tile, and laminate. It heats up quickly, is easy to maneuver, and delivers powerful cleaning without harsh chemicals, perfect for everyday touch-ups or deep cleaning. The McCulloch MC1385 Deluxe Steam System, delivering chemical-free steam with up to 2 hours of runtime. Equipped with 23 versatile accessories from mop heads to scrub brushes, it's built for deep cleaning tile, carpets, furniture, upholstery, garage floors, and full car detailing. The high-capacity canister design ensures strong, consistent steam for removing grease, grime, stains, and odors. A complete all-in-one solution for whole home and automotive cleaning. This 11-in-1 steam mop offers an efficient, versatile, and chemical-free cleaning solution for any home. Featuring a 15.2-ounce water tank and a 23-foot power cord, it delivers continuous steam for deep cleaning floors, furniture, carpets, tiles, and more. The detachable handheld steamer lets you tackle countertops, sinks, windows, and fabric with ease, while the set of 11 accessories ensures precise cleaning for every surface. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, this steam mop is perfect for daily use. Thanks for watching.